This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine flame grilled cheesy cheeseburger with delicious oozing cheese sauce. Well, that's cheesier and picklier than our sponsor. Pickdix mufflers gets rid of your ride squeaks and creaks. Still, it's better now than when it first came out, with cream cheese instead of the key ingredient of cheese sauce. While you're here smashing me button and ringing me bell, check out the merch in the tab below. You may notice in the comment section of being switched off. Honestly, it's a crazy time on YouTube and I work in an essential service, so I'm doing overtime and I just don't have time to reply to everyone. I started by making some cheese sauce using cornflour, butter, heavy cream and some mozzarella cheese sticks. Next, squash the meat patty down and mould it to be slightly larger than the bun. Make sure you place a dent in the centre for the juices to flow. Now the thing that gives Hungry Jack's burgers their unique flavour is that they are flame grilled. It's raining outside, so I'm cooking indoors today. So I'm going to be using a fry pan and an open flame torch to add that flame grilled flavour. Melt some butter in a pan and move the meat over the melted butter. Flip and scorch. You just want to get those grid marks nice and brown. Melt some more butter in a separate pan and toast the heel and the crown of the bun. Heel, cheese sauce, patty, cheese slices, more cheese sauce, pickles, and finish off by putting some cheese sauce on the crown of the bun. Came in at $1.30 and I added extra pickles to my bun. Speaking of pickles between buns, pickdix muffler surfers have a special offer where they will fix your muffler by trimming off the fuzz and giving it a quick lube job, and then will polish your rims for easy nut access. They do have delivery. For the merchandise is in the description below. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Grab!